Lot number 4038D. This is Martos Motorsports from Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. We are a salvage yard for personal watercraft parts. We are parting out a 2002 Sea Doo XP 951. As you can tell, it's very clean. It's a Minnesota freshwater boat, 155 pump. Seat's in good shape. Body's in good shape. Gauges are good. Pad. All the parts off this machine will be available for sale. You can call Martos Motorsports. Phone number in the background, 218-844-4968. We take all forms of payment. Ship parts all around the world. You can also find us on Facebook under Martos Motorsports or on eBay underneath Martos Motorsports LLC. This machine currently does not have a motor in it because we pulled the motor out and it was bad. So we were going to fix it, but cases were bad, the crank was bad. So it's just easier for us just to part the whole machine out. Everything you see off this boat is available for sale, including many others we part. We part a lot of machines. Anything from snowmobiles to ATVs to jet skis. Again, our phone number is 218-844-4968. I want to thank you for stopping by and have a great day.